Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the background from images in Adobe Photoshop. You might want to do this to make an image have a transparent background. Depending on the exact image you want to remove the background for, there will be a few different ways to remove the background, and this is based mainly on the complexity of the background. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up Photoshop and you have two options to begin with. You can drag and drop the image in or create a Photoshop project file first. If you do create a project file from scratch, make sure you set the canvas size to that or similar to that of the image you're removing the background for. That size can be found by right-clicking on the image and then going to Properties. Also make sure that you set the file to transparent before opening it. That is of course if you don't want a solid colour background, which you can select if you want. Once you're in Photoshop with the image added, there are a few slightly different methods to cover to remove the background, but they all serve the same purpose, so it depends on the exact image you are wanting to remove the background for. The first thing we're going to do is rasterize the layer in order to be able to edit it in the way we want. Sometimes it's good to duplicate your layer before rasterizing it, but for this example it's not necessary to do so. To rasterize the image, right-click on it from the Layers panel and click on Rasterize Layer. You could alternatively add a layer mask instead of rasterizing the layer, it's up to you. After doing this, we can try the first way to remove the background. Just above the Layers panel, there is a section called Quick Actions, and one of these options is called Remove Background. Click once on that and allow Photoshop to work its magic. After a second, it should have applied the change to the layer. There's a chance this might not look exactly how you want it to, so if that is the case, undo the action and we'll try the second method. The next method is to use the Magic Wand tool. To access this tool, find it on the toolbar on the left. It should be the fourth option down. If you don't see it, it could be set as a different tool. Click and hold on the tools to see the other options in this slot and select it. With the Magic Wand, click an area of the background and it will select the area with the same or similar colour and brightness values. For example, this could work for removing a blue sky quite well, but it struggles with the steam from the coffee. If this tool works, you can press the delete key when the background areas are selected to remove them. The third method is very similar. From the same place as the Magic Wand tool, this time choose the Quick Selection tool. Like the Magic Wand tool, use this to select parts of the background. You can hold down the left click and drag this across to select areas of the background. Delete this if it selects the correct area. As you can see, it works better for removing the steam above the coffee as well as the complexity of the coffee beans. The previous two tools should work for most examples. They might not be 100% accurate though, so we may need to clean things up with the eraser tool. Select this and simply erase areas that the other tools didn't get. To delete a straight line, it might be best to use the Marquee tool. A quick tip for highlighting areas you might have missed when erasing the background is to add a stroke to the layer. To do this, double click on the layer from the Layers panel and go to the Stroke tab. Add a stroke by ticking the box to the left of the tab and increase the weight and make the colour something that stands out, such as red. Change the position to center and you should now see any small areas you have missed. You can get rid of these easily with the eraser. Once you're happy with the image and you've removed the stroke if you added one, we need to make sure that we export it with a transparent background. To do this, go to File, then Export, and then Quick Export as PNG. Choose a name and destination folder and click on Save. And so that is how to remove the background from images in Adobe Photoshop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.